Hello, you'll need to cut yourself some paper strips, or you can buy them ready-made, and anything around about this size is fine. We're going to start by making a kind of knot at one end of the paper, like this. This particular kind of paper tears easily, so I'm going quite slowly and easing it in as I tighten it. Now we have to tuck that end in, so you can either cut it off or tear it off and tuck it in, or fold it over like I'm doing. Now we'll start wrapping the long end around that shape. You'll find it kind of knows where it wants to go if you just fold it along those edges. And we just keep folding it round until we get almost to the end of the strip. Right, so that end's going to be too short to tuck in, so I'm going to backtrack a bit, and again we're just going to fold over that edge and tuck it in. Right, now holding it at the edges, we're going to very slowly and gently press in the middles and sort of pinch the corners, and it should start puffing out into that star shape. And just keep going all the way around until you've got your star. I hope you ended up with a star. If you didn't, don't worry, it's quite normal for it not to work the first time or the first few times. And if yours was looking a bit like this, here's something else that you can try. So holding it at the edges, and just make sure you're not holding the middle. We're going to very slightly kind of blunt the edges. You can either use the back of your nail or some sort of hard edge like a ruler or a pen or something. It looks like we're not doing very much, but you just very gently broaden the edge out a bit, and it helps that star to start puffing out. So we're going all the way around and then just gently pressing in, and now it's puffed so that you can go all the way around. This paper I find a bit easier than the other kind, but again, experiment with different kinds of paper because you might find one easier to learn with than another kind. What you might want to do is make several of the flat shapes so that you can practice the puffing out bit, and then it's not too frustrating if one doesn't work. You can just move on to the next one and just keep trying. Before you fold them, you can write out your wishes on the stars or things that you're grateful for. You can also thread them up and make them into necklaces or garlands, tree decorations. There's loads you can do with them. Thank you for watching. I hope that you found that helpful and that you'll now be an expert paper star maker. And if you like the video, please give it a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.